Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're all having a good week. So for today's video, I am doing a tidy up my art space video because it is kind of out of hand. I do most of my artwork in my bedroom sort of thing. So I've got a corner of the room that's set up for that. So that's why I do a lot of all my big projects are done out in the back. It's a man cave, or it's called a man cave, but I use it, so not much of a man cave. So no, I will flip yours around now and show you what it actually looks like. It's a little bit embarrassing, I suppose, but it takes about a month for me to get out of holiday mode, but probably it's because with work and all that sort of thing, they're still showing Christmassy stuff and all that sort of thing. So yeah, I'll just show you what. So this is my art space. Oh, I did do a massive tidy up. I don't think I've done a tour or shown you this space since way back when, I don't know, maybe a year ago or something like that. When I showed off my art space. So yeah, this here's my little crafting spot there. Art spot. Oh, there's a bright light. My ceiling light doesn't work, so I wonder if I can turn this off, it's not going to affect the lighting. Well, that makes it too dark. You'll have to bear with me, but my ceiling light up here is gone kaput. I'm waiting for a part to come in. Just open the window, so let's see if that makes it any better. That bright light's going to be distracting. Okay, that's better. No glare, so that's why we use it there. So yeah, look, I got my entire horse model collection out on display now. Something different to the last time. So yeah, okay, enough about that. I'll talk more about that later. So this area here and there, and my desk, and a little bit of it ended up down there. Needs a tidy up. So I thought I will bring you along and just, yeah, have a little show of some tidy up sort of thing. So let's get to it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. way back a year ago.
Okay, so now that is all done, and I filmed it the best I could. Some things I did off camera to... I think the light's upsetting you there. Just some little minor things I filmed off camera that weren't very interesting. So I shall now show you what it looks like now. It looks 100% better. I'm totally satisfied with it. And also I'm going and I will be also filming a studio tour, room tour sort of thing of this room afterwards. So I'll give you a quick run around now, and you'll have to keep an eye out for the next video that I'll be releasing to see an actual full tour of what I've done. So yeah, here's what she looks like. All nice and neat. That pile of rubbish is gone down there now. That's just, well, I've keep my big box of Quizzle cards because it doesn't fit anywhere. These paints actually belong in the big box out the back, but I've been using them over here, so that's why they're sitting here. Oh, stray sock should be in the bin. So yeah, there's that there. My desk is clean. All my horses, my whole horse collection. So proud of that. And this is this over here. My washi tape's in a nice spot. I've got my desk there looking tidy. Up here's tidy. Mine's this thing, but I don't actually have anywhere else to put it. So it just sits up there out of the way. And yeah, so that's the full room there. So keep an eye out for part 2, and I will show you the full tour of my studio. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!